Veterinary College and Research Institute, Udumalpet, a constituent unit of Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, was established in the year 2020 in Kolikuttai village of Tirupur district. Veterinary College and Research Institute, Udumalpet, has 15 departments such as anatomy, physiology and biochemistry, livestock production management, animal genetics and breeding, microbiology, pathology, nutrition, pharmacology, parasitology, livestock products technology, public health and extension education, medicine, surgery and obstetrics and gynecology, and farm and clinical complex.
Classrooms are fully furnished and spacious, enough to house all students comfortably. Each department has undergraduate laboratory with all facilities as per MSB 2016 standards, enabling students to carry out hands-on exercises.
The Educational Museum houses an extensive collection of specimens, lesions, and parasites thoughtfully organized within the departments to enrich the learning experience of the student community.
A fully equipped veterinary clinical complex with comprehensive facilities is located in the Petpampatti. It has separate unit of medicine, obstetrics and gynecology, surgery for small animals and large animals separately.
The livestock farm complex is a comprehensive facility that encompasses diverse units including dairy, small ruminants, horses, piggery, and various poultry sections. In addition, a dedicated fodder unit is available to ensure a consistent supply of nutritious feed.
The computer center is equipped with a sufficient number of modern computers, ensuring that students have easy access to digital resources and technology for enhance their proficiency in various software applications. The institution offers a range of student amenities, including a well-maintained canteen, separate hostel facilities for boys and girls, and a fully equipped fitness center. These facilities are designed to promote comfort, convenience, and overall well-being, ensuring that students have access to nutritious meals, safe accommodation, and opportunities to maintain a healthy lifestyle alongside their academic pursuits.
Students are provided with valuable exposure to diverse field conditions and actively participate in a wide range of extracurricular activities such as Tamil Mandram, cultural events, sports, and various competitions. These engagements not only enrich their academic journey but also foster essential qualities including team spirit, confidence, discipline, and leadership skills, preparing them to excel both personally and professionally.
To enroll in the Veterinary College and Research Institute, Udumalpet, candidates are required to submit their applications through the online single-window admission system administered by Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Tanuvas.
The Veterinary College and Research Institute, Udumalpet, offers a 5.5-year undergraduate program leading to the degree of Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry with an annual intake capacity of 80 students. The minimum eligibility marks required for admission are 70 for candidates under the open category, 65 for backward class and backward class Muslim, 60 for most backward class, and a pass in the qualifying examination for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidates. For applicants from the academic stream, the cutoff is calculated based on marks obtained in biology, 100 marks, and the combined scores of physics and chemistry, 100 marks, totaling 200 marks. For applicants from the vocational stream, the cutoff is determined using marks obtained in biology, 100 marks, and vocational subjects 100 marks, also totaling 200 marks. Veterinary profession has wide range of career opportunities ranging from government and public sector jobs like veterinary surgeon, veterinary officer, military veterinarian, public health veterinarian, regulatory and inspection roles. Private and corporate sector jobs like pharmaceutical industry, animal nutritionist in feed industry, food industry, vaccine production. Research and education jobs like research scientist, university lecturer, professor, animal microbiologist. Clinical and practice-based jobs like veterinary practitioner, zoo veterinarian, wildlife veterinarian, small animal veterinarian, large animal veterinarian. Also, entrepreneurial opportunities like start your own clinic, start a farm, consultant, animal welfare jobs exist.
Thank you for choosing the noble path of veterinary science, a profession where compassion meets knowledge, and every life you touch makes the world a better place.